Hey there. Subscribe to my channel. And also press this bell icon, so you never miss any new updates, cause whenever we upload new video you will get a notification on your phone.
So guys, every day we travel with Uber and Ola and need to take a cab. But do you know that we can save a small amount of money while going to the same place? That's right. I'm your friend Manish and you're watching Technical Chaharji. So let's get started with the video.
So let me first start my Uber app, and I'm going to show you that how this trick will help you in day-to-day communication and how it will save you money. So as I launched the Uber app, it's taking a little bit of time, but that's okay. The app is almost launched right now, and let me show you that how this trick will help you more. So let me pick a point. So let's suppose right now I'm in Gurgaon and I'm standing at Gurudwaranchaya metro station, let's say that, and I need to go to somewhere in Udhyog Vihar. So what people usually do, they automatic location of their location is automatically picked up, but their destination location which they put up is almost for a place which is already defined on the Google Maps. So what this trick is going to do, let me show you. So as I put on Rolta Towers, the location is already defined on the map. You can see the prices of the Uber Moto is 24.27 and Pool of 89 and Go of 44.50. So let me show you what you can do. What you have to do, you go to app and instead of manually typing your location, go to set location on map and just zoom in your map a bit. Let me show you. Let me zoom in and put your pin location just outside the building. So still you're already going out on the same location on a day-to-day basis. So right now I'm just getting out on the road only, and as you will see the prices difference. Almost 4 to 15 rupees difference in the price. The pool which is costing us almost of 89 now costing almost 72, and Uber Moto which is costing around 25 is now costing us around 20 rupees, and Go is costing around almost 40 rupees to 45. So this is the little trick which till the Uber fixes this. You can use this trick and save your money.
This is the small trick from which the help of which you can save money. Just look at the distance. The distance is small, just up to 4 to 5 kilometers, and it's saving me around 4 to 5 rupees. So think of, if the distance is more, how much money you can save. So till the Ubers debug this bug and solve this problem, till then you can take the benefit of such things. So I hope you like this video. Please like this video, share it with your friends so others also can get benefited, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel.